Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here. This video is being posted on Tuesday, November 2nd, 2021. Today I'm coming to you from Jamworks LLC in Mayfield, Pennsylvania. More about Jamworks a little later. Last Tuesday, during a press conference held in our on-campus Diesel Truck Technology Center, Johnson College, United Neighborhood Centers of Northeastern Pennsylvania, the Institute for Public Policy and Economic Development, and the William G. McGowan Charitable Fund announced the launch of RISE, Readiness and Skilled Employment. RISE is a unique workforce development program created to give residents of Lackawanna and Luzerne counties the opportunity to obtain technical training while accessing additional supports to remove any barriers that stand in their way of starting a new career. The Johnson College and UNC teams developed a unique curriculum that is a blend of soft skills, technical skills, life skills, and career skills that will produce a well-rounded individual ready to make a difference in our region. Over 9 months, participants will enter this intense program and will be armed with a skill set that benefits them and area employers. Barriers to success will be removed by a strong support system at UNC and Johnson College, and this approach studied for impact. RISE will be one more way we work together to get the highest quality technician out into industry and as quickly as possible. To learn more about RISE, Readiness and Skilled Employment, visit risenepa.org. Also last week, the Johnson College team announced its newest one-year academic certificate program, Industrial Technology, which launches spring 2022. This program prepares students for employment as entry-level industrial technicians by teaching them skills such as diagnostics, equipment repair, machine testing, and operations. The program also teaches students critical thinking and decision-making skills. Graduates of the program will work in machine shops, fabrication shops, distribution warehouses, and similar settings that encompass the industrial technology industry. The industrial technology field is expected to grow by 19% over the next 10 years per the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Our graduates will enter the field having the potential to earn over $54,000 a year. To learn more about industrial technology, our new one-year academic certificate program, please visit our website, johnson.edu. This Saturday, November 6th, we're hosting our fall open house on campus from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. There will be discussions about the admissions process, financial aid for those who qualify, and student services. Same-day acceptance will be available if prospective students bring their high school or college transcripts. If you or someone you know is interested in attending our open house this Saturday, please visit johnson.edu/open house to register. As I mentioned, today I'm inside one of our industry partner locations, Jamworks LLC, a veteran-owned small business in Mayfield, Pennsylvania. Jamworks is an authorized FANUC robotics system integrator, custom automation, and equipment manufacturer. They also provide automation and robotics training. I want to thank the management and staff here at Jamworks for supporting Johnson College by participating in our program advisory committees, visiting our classrooms to share their expertise, hosting students here at their facility, and hiring our graduates. Industry is our students' campus. And now for my final note of the week. This was a big 2 weeks at Johnson College, from new academic program launches to our huge fall career fair to a new partnership announcement. The staff and faculty continue to deliver the highest quality of technical education to our students, and our students continue to embody the We Work spirit for which we are known. They are hardworking, resilient, and never ever take their eye off their goal of starting their in-field career, often accomplishing this even before they walk across the stage at commencement. I'm so proud of the entire Johnson College community. We work together to make this entire region even better. Thank you, students, faculty and staff, and industry partners. You all rock. That's it for this week's presidential update video from Jamworks LLC. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week.